Good morning to all. This is conditional probability. Definition of conditional probability is if we have two events A and B of a sample space S and probability of B does not equal to 0, then conditional probability of the event A is given by B and denoted by probability of A by B is probability of A intersection B upon probability of B, and probability of A intersection B is probability of A into probability of B divided by probability of B. This is one most important theorem based on conditional probability. If we have two events A and B defined on a sample space S of a random experiment are independent, then probability of A upon B is probability of A and probability of B upon A is probability of B. So here we have given that two events A and B both are independent. That's why we can say probability of A and B equal to probability of A into probability of B, equation number 1. And the definition of conditional probability, this is probability of A by B is probability of A intersection B upon probability of B. This is equation number 2. And now what is the meaning of probability of A intersection B? This is probability of A into probability of B and divide by probability of B. This is probability of A. Hence, similarly we can say probability of B by A is probability of B. Now here one most important theorem, Bayes theorem. In Bayes theorem we have, this is the benefit of the Bayes theorem. Here we have B1, B2, B3, Bn are the mutually exclusive events with probability of Bi does not equal to 0, where I equal to 1, 2, 3 and n events we have, and these n events are mutually exclusive of a random experiment. And for any arbitrary event A of a sample space we can find where probability of A greater than 0, then conditional probability is denoted by probability of Bi upon A. We can find the probability of the event A according to the events B1, B2, B3, Bn. N mutually exclusive events we have, and A is any sample, A is any arbitrary event of a sample space. Then the Bayes theorem say notated by probability of Bi upon A, and this is probability of Bi into probability of A upon Bi upon sigma I equal to 1 से लेकर n probability of Bi into probability of A upon Bi, where I equal to 1, 2, 3 and dot dot dot. And now here one most example based upon this Bayes theorem. A bag X contains 2 white and 3 red balls, and a bag Y contains 4 white and 5 red balls. One ball is drawn at random from one of the bags and it is found to be red. Find the probability that it was drawn from the bag Y. Now here we have two bags X and Y. Therefore here we denote the value, we say here the ball is drawn from the bag X, the ball is drawn from the bag Y. That's why here the notation we have two events B1 and B2. B1 the ball is drawn from bag X, and B2 the ball is drawn from bag Y. And here what the numerical is saying, he is found to be red. Here the ball is drawn at random from one of the bags and it is found to be red. Therefore A is the notation that the ball is red. Now what we have to find? We have to by the theorem, Bayes theorem say probability of B2 upon A. Probability of B2, what is B2? The ball is drawn from bag Y. Here we have to find the probability that it was drawn from bag Y. Therefore the ball is drawn from bag Y, the notation is B2, and probability of B2 upon the ball is red. Here at random from one of the bags and it found to be red, and A is the notation, the ball is red. Therefore, we have to find the conditional probability B2 upon A. Here, in this base formula, in numerator, substitute I equal to 2. Then this value is probability of B2 into probability of A upon B2, and in the denominator, substitute I equal to 1 and 2 because we have two bags X and Y. So therefore, when we substitute I equal to 1, then this value is probability of B1, probability of A upon B1 plus probability of B2 into probability of A upon B2. And here we have to given that the two bags are equally likely. That's why probability of B1 and probability of B2 equal to 1 by 2. Now, in this formula, we need the value of probability of A upon B1. How we can find the probability of A upon B1? What is the meaning of A upon B1? The meaning is probability a red ball is drawn from bag X. And what is X? X contain two white and three red balls. We have in one bag two white and three red, and in our favor the ball is red. Therefore, the probability of A upon B1. A upon B1 is red ball is drawn from bag X. In X bag, only we have three red ball. Therefore, favor upon total. Total is in X bag. How many total balls in X bag? 2 plus 3. This is 5. Therefore, the value of A upon B1 is 3 upon 5. And the probability of A upon B2. A upon B2 means the ball is drawn from bag Y and that ball is red. Therefore, the value of in Y bag, Y contains 4 white and 5 red ball. So, in your favor, the ball is red and red ball is 5. The 5 is in your favor and total ball in Y bag contains 9. So that's why the value of probability of A upon B2 is 5 by 9. Substitute all these values in Bayes theorem. There we can find very easily probability of B2 upon A is 25 by 52. Now here one most example based on Bayes theorem. The contents of urns first, second and third are as follows. We have three urns, and in first urn, one white, two black, three red balls. And in second urns, two white, one black and one red balls. And in third urns, four white, five black and three red balls. If one urn is chosen at random and two balls drawn, they have to be white and red. What is the probability that they come from urn first, second and third? We have to find the probability that the balls white and red and they come from urn first, second and third. Then here we have three urns, so that's why we don't know. Here we can say that that B1 is the notation urn first is chosen and B2 urn second is chosen. The ball is chosen urn first. The ball is chosen urn second. And B3 the ball is chosen from urn third. And what is A? A is the probability, A is the notation that the two balls are white and red. Here the numerical is saying that two balls drawn, they have to be white and red. So therefore A is the notation that the two balls are white and red. Now what we have to find? We have to find the probability of B1 upon A, B2 upon A and B3 upon A. Now since the urns first, second and third are equally likely, that's why the probability of B1, probability of B2 and probability of B3 is 1 by 2 because total probability is 1. And now the probability of A upon B1, probability of A upon B1, what is the meaning of probability of A upon B1? We can apply here conditional probability. Probability of a white and a red ball are drawn from urn first. In urn first, how many balls are here? 1 white, 2 black and 3 red balls. And we need only a white and a red balls. How many white ball in urn first? 1. And we need 1 ball. How many balls are red? 3. And we need only 1. Therefore, the probability of A upon B1 is 1C1 into 3C1. 3 red and we need 1. That's why 3C1, and divide by total balls are 1, 2 and 3. These are 6 and we need 2 balls. So that's why 6C2. So 1C1 into 3C1 divided by 6C2. This is 1 by 5. Similarly, the probability A upon B2. Probability A upon B2 means probability a white and a red balls are drawn from urn second. In urn second, how many white ball we have? We have 2 white ball and we have 1 red balls. That's why we can say that the probability of A upon B2 is 2C1 into 1C1 upon 4C2. This is 1 by 3. And similarly, we can say probability of A upon B3 is 4C1, 3C1 divided by 12C2, because in urn third we have 4 white and 3 red. So that's why the value is 4 white, 4C1. We need 1 ball. We need 1 ball here. And total ball is 4. So 4C1 into 3C1 divided by 12C2. This is 2 by 11. Now, by Bayes theorem, we can say probability of B1 upon A. Probability of B1 upon A is probability of B1 into probability of A upon B1 divided by B1, probability of B2, probability of A upon B2 plus probability of B3 into probability of A upon B3. Substitute all these values in this Bayes theorem. The value is 33 upon 118. Similarly, we can find probability of B2 upon A. This is 55 upon 118, and probability of B3 upon A. This is 15 upon 30, 15 upon 59.